Hey guys, welcome back to another MCSU video, and welcome back to another MCSU video, and welcome back to another MCSU video. I probably screwed you guys over there, eh? You were like, what? What's happening? I don't understand. I don't understand. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to another MCSU video, and in this video, we're going to be talking about why I did not upload in the couple of days, I think it was. I don't even remember, haven't been paying attention. Kiddo, get out of here. Oh, that Steve got my chest. Ooh, big boy, and he has an axe. Oh shit, get out of here. Get out of here, that shit oh, big boy. Oh god, I'm scared. I didn't even get that leather stuff. Oh god, is someone going my route? Yeah. Well, what to do in this type of situation? Well, you don't mess up the parkour, and you run away, because that guy got the double tier 1 and probably has a weapon. Because I mean, it's a double tier 1. And you got a boat, and so now, what you do is you boat away. And you become a peaceful Bach. But first, you take a selfie. And you get a ooh, big boy. I just love it when you get a sword out of a tier 2. Don't you? You're just like, oh. Everyone was spamming like Clockwee's in the game, so I don't know if he's in the game or not. But all just stats, a lot of disguised players. And is this guy hacking? Was that guy hacking? That looked like hacks. Not gonna lie there, that looked like hacks. That was some immense crazy stuff just happened there. Got scared, almost cried. Whew. That was a bit too intense for me. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Oh my god, did you just see what just... That guy went flying. He's probably one hit. Or not. Oh, he was 2 hits. Let's go get his, oh shit, there's a guy behind me. Alright, okay, let's just lead him a bit farther into the water. Well, that kid didn't have anything for me. Okay, big boy. Now you're gonna die, big boy. Oh god, no, don't block. Ooh, big boy, I'm gonna get to you before you get to land. Big boy, big boy! Oh, I don't have arrows. Oh, I don't want to gap yet. But this guy seems like dead to me. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Oh, that guy got my arrow. I have to kill him now. Oh, that guy's an iron sword. Okay, better keep that in mind. Full leather kid with iron sword, and this guy has iron legs that I want. I want those bad. Well, and this guy doesn't even see me. Big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy! And where did this full leather kid come from? Holy sugar. What just happened there? Oh, how am I supposed to get that? Can I get up there? Is there like a way that I can get up there? Why can't I? Oh, that's bullshit. Oh, I'll just break it. Fall down stuff. Wait, where is it though? Where's it? Where was it? Oh, it's right there. Yay! His stuff fell down. He wears his iron sword. It's right there. Okay, that was nice. That was a nice kill. And I do not want to throw stuff away at spawn because people are just gonna come over and take it all away from me. No, they're my stuff. Whoa! I had a topic to talk about and I totally forgot about it. But should I throw all this stuff out right here? I guess so. Big boy, I don't need that. Okay, whoa, two diamonds, nope. 2 gaps. And oh shit. Ugh. No one ever gets stacked on this map, so I like it. I like it a lot. This guy seems low. And confident. Big boy, big boy! Oh, this is fun. I like these types of games. These games are fun. Just stay around mid. Everyone always comes here. This map. Sometimes this map could be a huge pain, especially if you don't get stacked. If you don't get stacked, you're screwed. But if you get stacked, then this map is your best friend. I'm telling you this right now. Because no one else gets stacked. It's always just that one full iron guy that takes everyone out. Where could people be? Okay, there's a kid right there that I can take out. See, what am I telling you? No one has anything. Oh god, this guy has a chain chest plate, I think, for me. Yep, 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 yep. Don't go in water. Ooh, ooh, big boy. He was confident. He didn't even try running. I like people like you. I like people like you, sir, who just know that you're gonna die. No, I don't even think he knew that he was gonna die. He was just really confident. And it was like, ooh, I'm gonna kill him. But oh, that's a 2-team, and they look stacked up the butthole. But I want to kill them in water before they get on mainland. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Oh, I don't have a boat. Ooh, this might be bad. Oh, this is not a 2-team. I don't care if you fishing around me, big boy. Oh, I'm missing. Ugh. Ugh. I'm missing. Oh, I got one. Whoa, I wasted a lot of arrows. Ow. Why? I'm gonna go in the water. Oh, you're retarded. How is this guy not dead? I wonder how this guy's not dead. Oh, there we go! Kill shot! Big boy! Give me this stuff. My stuff. And then I'll leave you alone. Oh, he had arrows. Get out of here. I don't like you. Oh. Oh, I'm bad with the bow. Oh, yes! I got him too. Oh, yes. It looks like I might win this. Oh, shit. I don't know why this is happening. But, this guy wants to fight. I saw you. I saw you a long time ago, big boy. Big boy. Ugh. Big boy. Cat. I just want to Katniss him. Katniss. Oh, I ran out of arrows. Ran out of arrows. I want to Katniss you. Oh, he was one more Katniss shot. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wonder if I was recording. Yes, I was recording and I got a win. But I didn't upload yesterday because I did upload yesterday, but I didn't know why. I deleted it because of bad quality and my frames are really bad. And I'm just really hyper now. Today's Tuesday. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I did not annoy anyone. I know it's kind of a weird game. But herpy derp derp, giggity giggity goo. Ha 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 ha. My name is Demon, and holy, that's so unprofessional of me. I'm Demon. I'm a demon ninja. I don't need to be professional. I'm a ninja, for crying out loud. Oh, holy shit! I don't know why I'm saying all this stuff, but that's the real Demon, by the way, just now. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I did not upload. I did upload yesterday, but I just deleted that video because it was a bad quality video. And I'm gonna go render this, and I'll upload hopefully tomorrow. And I'm sorry for not uploading. And I'll see you guys in the next video.